Now today guys, in this video, we'll be talking about how to install GMS inside your EMUI phones. Now for Huawei basically. So right here on my left, it's installed using the Lighthouse. And on the other side, we're using GBOX. Now we'll compare both of them and probably show you which one that you prefer and which one is working better in this video. Let's start. Hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So right now here on this phone we have installed Lighthouse, and basically we have a tutorial on how to install the Lighthouse, link up here, just check it out. So basically this one, it's something that you cannot touch. Basically it's installed inside your system, which enables you to access your Google stuff like Gmail, Google Maps, Google Drive, from basically this phone. So it's what we call more native. So right now when we go out here, we can access Gmail like a normal Android phone. We can access Google Maps like any normal Android phone, and Google Drive. Now on the other hand, we have here is a GBOX. Basically GBOX is a virtual app to let you use Google Play. Now probably one of the good things this one has, it lets you use Google Play. On the other side, from the Lighthouse, you cannot install Google Play. Just the Google apps that you need, you can freely access it here. Now, if you want to know how to install GBOX, I'll be linking it up here. And basically, it's a virtual space to host everything that you have installed using from the Google Play Store. Basically, you can easily drag it out just like this one. And what's bad about this one is that you cannot use native apps like this one. Say Google Drive would crash like this. You can see it won't continue. Google Mail, well, you cannot even input your Gmail, of course, but surprisingly Google Maps is working here. I do not know why, but we can freely access it using the GBOX. So basically if you install it, you can see that there's a logo G over here. Opening Gmail, then if you want to open your G Drive, and if you want to open your Google Maps. It's basically easy to use and it doesn't have any ads included. Now, one thing that I want to address here is that sometimes you want to know if it's safe. Now, I've tried GBOX already for quite a number of weeks and haven't really seen any trouble with it. So basically, for me, it's safe. And if you ask me, sometimes you want to access it natively, like this one. So you can choose between Lighthouse or GBOX, it's depending on you. But for me, if you want it simpler, I would suggest you can use Lightbox, then download everything from the app gallery. But if you want a Play Store, feel free to do so using the GBOX. Now, probably the most intriguing question that you might ask me here is that, would GBOX work together with Lighthouse? Now, the answer is simply yes. Now, I've already installed Lighthouse here and I'm using my Gmail over here. And I've also installed GBOX over here and my Google Play is working like a charm. Now, some of the apps being ported over from the GBOX like YouTube, you can say that it's, well, working perfectly. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future updates here from my channel. And so, I'm Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?